Okay, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Fabulous planner. Mine is the classic, and I will be showing you. So here's a little card, and it gives you the information, the Fabulous box, and this month's theme is lemonade. So there's two. There's the luxury box and then the classic box, which is this one that I'm opening, and gives you a preview of next month's box theme. It's going to be ballerina. And this is what's inside. So first is a scrunchie. So it's one scrunchie right here, and it has this theme. It's really big, very beautiful. I love the print. It has flowers and some leaves, very tropical. I like that. Then there's this. It's a correction pin. Then there's also another pin. It's a gold pin, and it has engraved, and it says the Fabulous planner. Okay, then next is the washi tape, the lemons. And there's an enamel pin, little lemon, slightly bitter. And it also comes with a stencil. So it has different stencils on there. And it has a little like notepad. It says today, and it has like where you could do like the date, the weekday of the week, morning, afternoon, and evening. And then it has 2 sheets of scrap paper, or like scrapbook paper. You could use it for anything. That one and this one. And it has this tiny little sheet of stickers with for like a monthly theme, if you have like a little calendar. And then the last item in here is the stickers. So there will be 4 sheets, and these are the different stickers. So this is one sheet, so it has different things on it. And then the next sheet is this one. And the third sheet, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Really nice. And the last one is this one. So it gives you a lot of different options. And that's and this is the box.